Today in this video I will share you a most effective 3 DIYs of castor oil. Most people don't know how to use castor oil correctly. Castor oil for wrinkles. 1 tablespoon of castor oil. 1 tablespoon of vitamin capsule. Together castor oil and vitamin E help remove eye wrinkles. Mix it well. Apply a small amount of castor oil over the wrinkle area and leave it overnight. It penetrates into the skin and boosts the productions of collagen, which softens and hydrates the skin. Castor oil for hair. Castor oil and coconut oil helps growth and less hair fall. 1 tablespoon of castor oil. 3 tablespoon coconut oil. Castor oil is extremely thick and viscous, so you should mix it with coconut oil before putting it on your hair. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make castor oil beneficial against folliculitis, dandruff, and skull infections. The antioxidants and castor oil also support the keratin in hair and help make hair stronger, smoother and less frizzy. There are hundreds of testimonials from people who used castor oil to increase their hair growth 3 to 5 times the norm rate. Damp your hair if you wash it. Helps your hair with better absorption. Massage the oil into your hair. Do not apply the oil into the scalp. Leave it about 1 to 2 hours, and then wash it with a shampoo. It does take time to show an improvement, at least 4 to 6 months. So be patient. Apply it once a week. Castor oil for skin care. 2 tablespoon aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon castor oil. Mix it well. Aloe vera gel is an expensive daily natural skincare moisturizer. Castor oil contains a significant amount of vitamin E, protein, omega-6 and antioxidants. Massage into your skin. Aloe vera and parts glow to the skin and castor oil softens it. Please subscribe, like and share. Safe and easy channel.